Ang video natin ngayon ay medyo masakit dahil ito daw yung sasagot sa katanungan kung may shota ba talaga ang SB19 o kung sino mang member na yon. At itong video na to, ito yung ikiklik ko na to ngayon, sila daw mismo sa bunganga nila lalabas kung may shota sila o wala. Kasi inamin daw nila to sa ganito kaaga ng umaga, anong oras na. Ang aga pa di pa nag alas 8. Masasaktan na ako agad. So ito men, shoutout na agad sa ibang 18 na talagang magkakaroon ng micro crack sa puso nila ngayong umaga, no. Sabay-sabay nating pakinggan na manggaling sa bunganga ng mahalima. Kasi ito wala na this will come from the horse's mouth. So ito na talaga yung katotohanan na malala kung sino, wala pa akong nakitang video pero medyo mahapdi. Nais kong magpakalasing. So eto na. Eto na yun. Oh my god. Oh, bruh, man. Shit. This gonna hurt, but G, tingnan natin. This video is coming from Stars and Trends. Shout out. Thank you for this vid. Okay, lipat ko lang sa headset yung sound. Bruh, ready na ba kayo? Medyo map dito. Okay lang, kahit mag-click away muna kayo ngayon. Medyo masasaktan kayo ngayon Okay, handa na. My god. Okay. Shit.
In an unexpected revelation during
Stars and Trends. I-like natin yung video ng Stars and Trends kasi mga chismoso din to sila Dapat galing sa bunganga nila, Stars and Trends. Ayaw kung kayo magsasabi.
a recent live podcast, 3 members of popular Filipino boy band SB.
So, may podcast pala tayong hihintaying ilabas. No, anong podcast to? Walang nilagay kung anong podcast.
19 Ken, Pablo, and Josh publicly shared that they are currently in relationships
Okay. Pinapanood namin ng Commander to. Yung parehong direct yung host. Okay.
with girlfriends. The disclosure has sparked a wave of reactions among fans, ranging from excitement to nostalgia and even some disappointment. According to social media posts,
Grabe naman yung disappointment. Baka nabigla lang siguro sila. Pero medyo meron na tayong konting idea na baka may tinatago sila, pero is either hindi pa natin napapatunayan or in denial tayo. Pero yung disappointed ka, why? Ng tao sila, 'di ba? Bruh. Okay. Kahit ako naman nasasaktan, I feel for you, pero wag naman yung disappointed. Medyo parang heavy word naman 'yon. Okay.
from fans who tuned into the live session. The members' confessions were met with mixed emotions.
Ang tigas naman ng mukha ng podcast na to sa kanila pa, dahil sa kanila pa nalaman natin, no? Meron ba talaga o niloloko lang ako nito?
Many longtime supporters expressed happiness for the members' personal happiness, noting that the news was not entirely surprising given their previous hints and mature images. Others, however, admitted feeling a twinge of sadness or nostalgia, as the band has often been seen as an idol group with a focus on their music and performances rather than their personal lives.
Bilis, may sasabihin ba dito? Ano ba? Niloloko lang ba ako ng Stars and Trends? Ano ba? Pogi naman ni Josh, my god. Saan na yung video? Ano sila? Parang wala So, ito comment. Ang walang kwentang podcast. Sabi dito, I really think it's about time to openly talk about it. Ang point lang naman ay sa kanila manggagaling. And I'm so proud of them for that. Tama naman, wala naman kayong dapat ikatakot. People who truly love you, yeah man, legit. This is legit. Okay. I really love how SB19 have reached to a point in their lives and career where they're no longer afraid to speak about the hard things, the topics that could either make or break the fandom. There's something so powerful about that. Ano? Saan ba yung sasabihin nila dito? Gusto ko marinig sa bunganga nila. I'm happy for the boys and their freedom. That's something we shouldn't take away from them. Basically true. Just want to say I'm so happy for you, my baby. I'm so proud of you. Sino to? Sino tong punyeta na sinasabi so happy for them? Sinong bebe yon na may shota? So happy they finally talk about their love life directly. Hilig so much talaga sa private ni Pao. Chismosa ka. Joke lang. SB members is their own sanctuary, but their talent is a gift to the world. If SB is happy, I'm happy. Yeah. Puta, medyo clickbait to Sabagay, hindi naman pala. Hindi naman pala clickbait kasi yung title niya, SB19 Fans Experience Mixed Emotion. Bagay. Podcast episode will be posted soon on ang Walang Kwentang Podcast YouTube channel. Bakit alam nyo na? Hindi pa pala posted. Ha? Paano nyo nalaman yung chismis kung hindi pa napopost? Ang Walang Kwentang Podcast YouTube channel. How did you know? Grabe, ang bigat naman ng mga ano nila dito, mga guests. Paano nila nalaman? Wala. Wala, na clickbait ako guys. Wala pa palang video Punyimas. Di wala. Sabay-sabay tayong na clickbait sa sa hayop na ano na yon. Wala ano gagawin natin? Hintayin na lang natin to, yung ang Walang Kwentang channel na to. Dito do lalabas yun. Sige. Ang favorite content ko nila dito yung si Angelica Panganiban, yung yung nag-guest. Sobrang lupit na Angelica, men. Semi-idol namin siya ni Commander. Di wala. Sige na, subscribe kasi papanoorin natin yung podcast dito, okay? Ila-live natin yun. Kundi tayo i-copyright strike ng channel na to. Okay, so yun lang. Wala na-clickbait lang din ako, yung ko sisihin. Salamat. See you again to the next one. Let's go.